BlackBerry.com.
It's great to have you here.
Thank you, great to be here.
And so you've been working with the new OpenGLES on the BlackBerry platform.
Yeah, just for the last couple of weeks, we've been seeing what we can do with Need for Speed, and in a few moments I'll show you that on a demo here. So, mobile gaming, I want to tell you, I mean, the industry is a really exciting place right now. There are more people downloading and playing games than we've ever seen before. The devices are getting so much more powerful and more suited to playing games. So it means that we're able to sort of build much more compelling experiences on mobile devices than we've ever done before. And in ways, you know, like 3D rich graphics, more intuitive ways to sort of interact with your game, control your game, using things like tilt and touch. With enhanced audio, we can use the music and the effects to really kind of bring our games to life much more than we ever could. And with all these combination of features in CPU speed, GPUs, more memory on mobile devices, we're really able to make our feature sets a lot more compelling. So we're delighted at EA that the guys at RIM have now sort of continued to make the BlackBerries sort of more powerful towards gaming. Being able to use OpenGL is fantastic. And so let's have a look at Need for Speed, as I say, it's an early playable demo that we just created over the last couple of weeks. So Eric here is just using touch to make all the player decisions in the game, so just sliding between the cars to choose from. We've got two in here right now, the Ford GT and the BMW. Which one are you feeling lucky with right now, Eric? Okay, so it's the Beamer. So let's go into a pit race. Okay, so immediately you can see we've got a beautiful 3D environment. We've never been able to do this kind of full 3D into the screen racing before on BlackBerry devices. Obviously, for all the developers in the audience, just some figures. So we're pushing about between 6,000 and 13,000 polygons in the environment, depending on where you are around the track and where the camera is. The cars, the BMW has about 6,800 polys, and the Ford GT a little bit more, about 7,000 just over. One of the big impressive things we found developing this device is a large texture space. So we've got 512 by 512 blocks of texture space for the environment, separately for the sky down, and also for the vehicles. So we've been able to bring high-end assets into the game, as well as use our existing Java code base to make this look as good as it does. It's running on average around about 14 frames per second. As I said, just a couple of weeks in, and you know, we expect with more optimizations we can do more, but already you can see it's really good to play. The accelerometer controls giving us enough fidelity to be able to drive the car beautifully around the track, and you really feel like you're in touch with the vehicle. And more touch controls in-game, so you can just tap the screen to brake, and hold your finger long to brake longer, and just swipe like that to give yourself a turbo boost. So we're pretty pleased, pretty excited working on this, and it's great personally as a gamer and an intense BlackBerry user to be able to sort of start in games like this. Thanks very much, Eric. Appreciate it.